Hello, elite students. Welcome back to science class. I hope you all are safe and healthy at your places. Food is not rational. Food is culture, habit, craving, and identity. Good food is the foundation of genuine happiness. So students, today we will discuss very interesting new chapter, that is components of food. In this video, we will be covering topics such as why do we eat food? Why do we eat different varieties of food? Components of food such as nutrients, dietary fibers, and water. Different types of nutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Balanced diet and deficiency diseases. Hey, I am Ria, and I have many questions to ask. My mother always asks me to eat my breakfast, lunch, and dinner properly. So I daily eat my food and always finish my tiffin in the school. But tell me one thing, why do we eat food? What will happen if I don't eat food? Do our body needs it? So let's answer Ria's questions. Ria, just as petrol or diesel is fuel for our car, in the same way, food is fuel for our body. Food provides us energy and is necessary for our survival. Ria is now wondering. Sometimes I eat aloo parantha with curd. Sometimes I eat dal chawal with sabji roti. Mom always asks me to have milk, variety of fresh food, green vegetables, eggs, fish, etc. Why do we eat so much variety of food? Can't I eat food which only I like? Do our body needs different kinds of food for some special purpose? So Ria, let's understand in this way. We know that food is made up of one or more ingredients, and these ingredients contains nutrients, roughage or dietary fiber, and water. Nutrients are further classified into carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. And our body needs these different nutrients, dietary fiber, and water for its proper functioning. Single food item does not contain all the nutrients, so we have a variety of food to get all the nutrients. I hope, Ria, you get your answer. Now we know nutrients, dietary fibers are different components of food. We will now study about each of these components separately. First, we will study about nutrients, that we will study about dietary fibers, and then we will study about water. So let's first study about nutrients. Nutrients are substances in our food that are needed by the body for its growth, maintenance, and repair, and to function properly. We already know that there are 5 main types of nutrients. Carbohydrates and fats gives us energy. Thus, food containing carbohydrates and fats are called energy-giving foods. Proteins are needed for growth and repair of the body. Thus, food containing proteins are called body-building foods. Food containing vitamins and minerals are called protective food, as vitamins and minerals protects us from diseases. Now let's study about each of the nutrients separately. Carbohydrates. Main function of carbohydrates is to provide energy. With this energy, we perform our daily activities such as walking, reading, playing, sleeping, breathing, etc. Some of the important sources of carbohydrates are wheat, rice, bajra, maize, banana, mango, papaya, melon, potato, sweet potato, sugarcane, milk, cheese, ice cream, and sugary sweets. Now, we will do a very simple test to check whether these food items really contain carbohydrates. Here, we are taking bread and potato. What we have to do is, we have to take a small quantity of the food item to be tested. Then, we have to put 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution on it. And then, observe the color of the food item. If the food item changes to blue-black color, it indicates the presence of carbohydrates. You just have to remember these things, students. Food plus iodine solution, if gives blue-black color, then carbohydrates is present in the food item. Is it easy, right? So let's now study about proteins. Proteins are called body-building foods and they are needed for growth and repair of our body. Pulses such as moong, malka, chana, beans such as soya bean and peas are plant sources of proteins, whereas milk, paneer, eggs, fish and meat are animal sources of proteins. Let's now do a test to check the presence of proteins. Here you have to take small quantity of the food item, grind this food item and put it into the test tube, then add 10 drops of water to the test tube and shake the test tube well. After this, add 2 drops of copper sulfate solution and 10 drops of caustic soda solution to the test tube and shake well. Observe the color of the mixture. Violet color indicates the presence of protein in the food item. Here you have to remember this equation. Food item plus water plus 2 drops of copper sulfate solution plus 10 drops of caustic soda. If gives violet color, it indicates the presence of protein. Students, now do your back exercise questions in your science notebook. Thank you, my dear students. So, food is the ingredient that binds us together. So, my dear students, eat healthy and stay healthy. Till then, take care. We will continue in another video.